morning, everyone. What a thrill to be here. I'm honored and privileged as the president and CEO of the Morris County Chamber of Commerce, as well as the Morris County Economic Development Corporation. And on behalf of myself and also Paul Boudreau, who's with us today, and the board of directors and our 800 members, I congratulate Dr. Iacono, CCM, your board on this momentous achievement. True leadership inspires us, it motivates us, it makes us want to be our best selves. It also takes a vision and makes it a reality, and that's what we're doing today. We're executing on a vision, a long time coming, and I am grateful for this partnership that has begun a number of years ago, and I hope will continue well into the future. The Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering Center will truly contribute in a tangible way to economic development in this great county. So many metrics, this county is in the top 10 of the country. As we know, educational institutions, especially community colleges, are the heartbeats of our communities. And this groundbreaking signifies the future cultivation of talent that is in great demand in these sectors, as we've heard, especially in the skilled manufacturing and engineering sectors. Proudly, CCM, as has been previously noted, draws not just locally but regionally and does contribute to the larger viability of our region. And as we know, reading the newspapers, now more than ever, we need to remain competitive. We cannot rest on our laurels. We need to stay vigilant, and we need to be nimble. People are often surprised when I tell them in Morris County there are hundreds of manufacturing companies, small, medium, and large, of all different sectors. They look at me quizzically when I tell them that manufacturing is still within the top 10 industries that contribute to the overall gross regional product of this county. But it's true, and we hope that it will remain that way. I've spoken with many of these businesses, as some of the speakers today have. I've heard their successes, and I've heard of their struggles. I've heard of them wanting to stay here and grow and pass their business on to the next generation. And that's why what we're doing today is so important and so vital to the future of this county and of New Jersey. As many of you know, there are many employers in the county, such as Picatinny Arsenal Defense Contractors, many companies in Randolph and Parsippany, tucked away off of side roads, medical device manufacturers, pharmaceutical manufacturers. They are the heartbeat of this economy. Also, when people lament losing that which is tangible, that which you can hold, a pen, for example, we can proudly tell them we are cultivating the products of the future, the tangibility, the looking forward to the 3D printers I hear we'll have. So it's really a thrill and a day we should celebrate. As the president of the Chamber of Commerce and also of the Morris County Economic Development Corporation, we are proud, and I can speak for Paul as well, to have been supportive of CCM's efforts and champions of this initiative. We were glad to have convened focus groups and provided data, because all of that primary data is important when you're moving forward with such an initiative as this. And we're also grateful for the support, ongoing support of the freeholders to make that a reality. So I'm excited that the initiatives such as the Forward campaign will help sustain and grow the Morris County economy, which fortunately is very diverse and has access to an extraordinary supply chain and transportation network. So this project goes a long way to ensuring the continued diversity of our economy, and I'm excited and thrilled to be here with all of you today. Thank you very much.